Best yoga poses for hypotension. In our videos, we often discuss low blood pressure and the benefits of physical activity. We're going to talk about this in more detail now. By the way, if you're looking for devices to measure blood pressure at home or for professional use, follow the link in the description to our online store. In this video, we're going to show you some simple asanas that are best for people with hypotension. We each have our own level of physical fitness, so before starting yoga, it's important to consult your doctor. Triangle pose, Utthita Trikonasana. This asana strengthens the muscles of the core, thighs, knees, and ankles, while also opening up the entire body. Stand with your feet wide apart and then turn one foot forward and bend your torso towards it. Raise your arm and reach upwards, placing the other hand on the leg below the knee. Stay in this position for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat on the other side. Downward facing dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. This is an effective pose for improving blood circulation. If you can't straighten your knees, they can be slightly bent. Try to distribute your weight evenly between your legs and arms. In this pose, blood flows to the head without putting strain on the heart. Stay in this pose for at least 30 seconds. Child's pose, Balasana. This pose is good for relaxing the inner surface of your body as well as your back. Bring your feet and knees together, lower your pelvis to your heels, and as you breathe out, lower your torso to your knees. Your head should be down, your tailbone pulled forward, and your hands forward. An easier version is to put a towel under the back of your thighs and lay your arms along either side of your body. Stay in this pose for 30 to 60 seconds. Boat pose, Paripurna Navasana. This asana strengthens the muscles in the back, core, and thighs. Sit on the floor, stretch your legs out in front of you, shift your weight forward, and then raise your legs so that your thighs form a 50-degree angle with the floor, keeping your back straight. Stay in this position for 10 to 30 seconds. Bow pose, Dhanurasana. Lie on your stomach, bend your legs, and bring your ankles as close to your buttocks as possible. Now hold onto your ankles with your hands and raise the upper part of your torso so that only your abdomen remains in contact with the ground. Stay in this pose for 5 to 10 seconds. Corpse pose, Shavasana. This is one of the easiest poses for managing your blood pressure. Shavasana calms the brain, relieves stress, relaxes the body, and reduces headaches, fatigue, and insomnia. Lie on your back, relax, and breathe deeply. Watch our other videos about low blood pressure and leave a comment about which exercises you do to stay fit. Stay healthy.